call out a goof up here. There are two cutouts for cable management that are supposed to line up. I've got them backwards, so everything I did, I've got to reverse. The mag switch mounted drill press vise is perfect to get these holes exactly where they need to be in the small workpieces. Also, if you're watching this video right after it's posted, the Father's Day sale is still going. Check that out in the description for extra discount. This is why I did not 3D print the whole thing. Getting the model perfect would have been really hard, but with the Baltic birch, I can do a modification like this and just sand a flush surface between the three mounts with sandpaper after it's all mounted up. Wouldn't have been able to do this with 3D printed parts. I'm anticipating some comments to this video along the lines of, you can buy a better looking phone mount for your bike than what you built, so this is dumb. It's a dumb video. There's some truth to that if you just want to mount the phone. There are some very sleek phone holders for bikes that you can buy that look better than what I built. I get it. None of them hold the battery. There are some phone mounts that hold a battery in like a bag underneath the phone. Those I thought were awful. I didn't want to put one of those on my bike. So when I get to a point where I can't find anything that I can buy that is going to work for me and make me, really excited to take a bike ride, which really is the whole point of this, then I build it. I'm also aware that bike computers exist, but they don't have GPS and internet to track the route, and I'd want my phone anyway for emergency calls, so I ruled that out pretty quickly. All finished. Let's take it for a spin.
Alright, phone is charging by the battery. Off we go.
The title wasn't clickbait. I really am having a serious problem with fitness, or lack thereof. I just can't find the groove that I was in prior to COVID when all the gyms shut down and I didn't have a whole lot of options. It seemed so easy back then to just build it into my routine, but I've really struggled getting back to it, and it's affecting my ability to get a lot done in the shop. Being out of shape is not conducive to long days in the shop. I get tired faster, I don't have the energy level I used to, my joints get injured easier. I know all of these things come with the aging process, I accept that, but I'm speeding it up with the poor fitness, so I gotta get back to it. I think I'm gonna like interacting with this thing. I like being able to go on long bike rides and have the GPS track everything with the battery backup. I like interacting with things that I've made, just trying to motivate myself in any way to get a good routine going. So this is part of it. Wish me luck. Follow along on Strava so you can see my progress with this and resistance training and stretching and everything else that I'm trying to do to get back into it. And I'll catch you next time.